So welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. I have another HTVRONT unboxing video for you. This one is their new hat heat press. So we're gonna open this and check it out. I was so happy when they sent me this. I have tools to which I can do stuff for my upcoming craft fair. So this is the manual. It gives you all the instruction that you would need to operate this little hat press. And this is a carrier bag that is also used for storing the machine. So I'll take them out of the box and set that aside. So this is the ironing mat, and that's what you would place the hat over. And this is the dome that stores the heat press. I'm just gonna open that. Ooh, it's cute. And the dome also serves as the base for the ironing mat. So I'm just unwinding the cord and revealing the heat press. It is so cute. Love it. I'll show you what the settings look like in a little bit. And this is a safety cradle that keeps the heat away from your surface. So now I'm going to demonstrate to you how this works, but I'll be using an old hat that I found that I've not been wearing anymore. So I took the hat pressing lid, and this is going to turn upright in this way. There are two little loops on the mat. You just fasten those over the hooks on the lid, and that is to keep it in place. So now that is tightly secured, this is the hat. I haven't worn this in a while, and it's perfect because it doesn't have anything written on it. Now HTV recommends that you place the hat with the base or the back of the hat on the surface just like this, and the top of the hat facing upright to turn it the way they recommend. But you can definitely use it how you feel comfortable using it, but I'm going to use it like they suggest that we use it. So I'm going to power on the machine by pressing the power button. It has a setting button, the plus and minus. You can toggle between the temperatures by just pressing those buttons. So now we're back to our hat. Now these are some sublimation transfers that I purchased from Amazon in a pack of 16. You guys probably hear me or see me use these a lot. I'm going to use this little daisy sticker. That's all I had, and this is just being used for the purpose of this video and just to show you how the machine is used. So I cut that off and I'm placing it on the top right in the center. And then I'm waiting for my heat press to warm up. Then I put this piece of Teflon sheet on top of it, place the heat press on, and it's automatically set for 20 seconds. And once I press the power button for 2 seconds, then it starts the timer. And when that's done, I'm testing it to see. Now, because the surface has that little bump in the middle, it was a little difficult, but like I said, this is just for the purpose of this video. I would never place a daisy on my hat that I'll be wearing outside. No. So it needed a little bit more heat, so I set it again and went again for another 20 seconds. And I think it's now on. So I just wait for it to cool a little bit, and then I'm going to peel that off. Our little hat heat press does the job. Now that is so cute. I will leave all the information regarding the sale. It's an introductory sale for this hat heat press. I will leave the coupon code as well as the link to purchase from the website in my description box below. If this is something that you would like to grab before the sale ends, then go ahead and use that code and do so. And now I'm going to wait for the heat press to cool down, and then I'm going to pack it away in the storage case. So I'll be grabbing myself some blank hats and getting some messages or words printed out and get busy for my craft fair coming up. I am in love with this hat press so far. Thank you HTVRONT for sending me this. HTVRONT Hat Press. Their introductory price is $79.99. So if you are interested, go ahead and grab that. The sale ends on March 14. So that is it, guys. Make sure to do all that YouTube stuff. Like, share, comment, and subscribe if you have not yet done so. And check out this video that I did for another HTVRONT review, and this playlist if you'd like to see more budget-friendly content. And I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.